Let me tell you guys a little bit of a story. All right. This is a story, and there's a moral to this story. So I want you guys to really pay attention here. All right. For the people not interested, you can go, but this is a story, and I want to tell you the story. Once upon a time, I was at work, and one day I figured out that, what I wanted to do is I wanted to get this industry certification, right? I wanted to do that. But I had a lot of distractions in my life. I played video games. I was always going out. I was doing everything except for studying for this industry exam. And let me tell you, let me be the first person to tell you that I, yeah, I never got it. I spent years doing it. I've always said I wanted it, but I spent years trying to get it and never got it. And why did I never get it? I'm going to tell you why I never got it. Because my life was full of distractions. I had my phone with Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Snapchat, everything. YouTube Shorts, scrolling, watching dumb videos instead of doing what I needed to do, right? Instead of performing the actions that actually make sense. This is something that I chose to do, right? And I chose to do that because I thought it was entertaining. I thought I needed that to unwind and relax. But let me tell you something. Once I deleted Facebook, Instagram, and I drastically cut down the amount of hours that I would play the game for, I started spending more time doing the things I needed to do. I spent more hours. I was spending 4 hours a night, 5 hours a night, 6 hours a night doing stuff, studying for this industry certification. And I'm telling you this. Why am I telling you this? I'm telling you this because as a young professional, right? As somebody that's just starting your adult life, you're going to have to sit here and understand too that you are directly responsible for the results that you get in life. There is no excuse for that. Of course you're not going to be, certified. Of course you're not going to have any of that if you don't put in the work. Get rid of the distractions. Stop going out. I put a timer on. I worked for 30 minutes. Sorry, I worked for 25 minutes and then I stopped working. And I did it over again. These are things that, your family, your parents should have taught you this stuff, but they don't. And it's all right because you got somebody like me that's going to tell you, yes, you're full of shit. If you think that you can just go, right? That you can just go and say you want to do something, but you don't put any real effort. I tracked this. I studied every day. And the funny part about it only took me 2 weeks, maybe even 3 weeks to study for this thing and get this industry certification. But I did it. And you can do it too if you put in the effort for it. So you got to decide really like what is it you want to do. Do you want to put the effort to that, or do you want to put your effort towards other bullshit? So what do you want to do? Explain that to me. Because if you can explain that to me, then okay, we got a conversation. But if you can't, then we might have some issues. All right. Think on it. Let me know what your goal is. What are you going to focus on? One thing that you're going to focus on and you're actually going to accomplish. You have to accomplish it. You can't just feed me bullshit. So figure it out. You let me know.